Good morning, everybody. Well, it's a gorgeous morning here in Hawick, and I'm just around at Morrisons at the moment, just doing some washing in the Revolution washing machines, which is here at Morrisons in Hawick. So I haven't had a very good voice for the last couple of days. I don't know what's up with my voice. I've been taking a lot of lozenges and stuff like that, but whether I've got a cold in my throat, I don't know. But it's annoying because when you're trying to talk to somebody and you can't talk, then I'm gonna go and have my breakfast in Morrisons, and then I'll shoot off. Fill it. Gonna get some diesel here, £1.36. That's the cheapest I've seen anywhere. Okay. Anyway, I'll catch you all again later, guys. Have a good day, and I hope the sun's shining where you are. Yeah, the washing's nearly done, so got to get in the dryer in a minute, and then go and get my breakfast. My little wash down here. So what you do, you go onto this screen, touch the screen, continue past that, and it gives you options of wash and dry. Right, that's that done. Oh, didn't think it was going to open for a minute. Okay, so there you go, it's on my washing, so I'll get that out and stick it in the dryer. Alright, just going to stick a couple of these tumble dryer sheets in. They help to make the clothes smell a bit nicer. So what you do, take them out. I used to stick about 3 in. There you go. Right, shut the door. Right, I'm gonna have to turn the camera off. You can see that. So I'm gonna accept 30 minutes, press continue, and then you press pay. Okay, press the start button. There you go. Says 20 kilos, but it takes up to 20 kilos. That's your large volume washers. There's a lady just came, she's got a lot of washing in. Yeah, it's just quite easy. You just go in here, follow the instructions, and just pay here. Quite easy. It's got more instructions up here. And it tells you, if you can see, it tells you you've got 30 minutes. So as you can see, I can just sit in the van and just watch it. I've said I got 30 minutes. I won't go and get my breakfast until it's all finished and put everything away. And then I'll go into the store, do a little bit of shopping and get some brekkie. Catch you later, bye. Just one thing I forgot to mention was it does give you different options on the length of time and the size of your wash. So I opted for the £5.50 wash, and then on the dryer it gives you different time settings. Obviously the more time you want, the more expensive it is, so I opted for the 30-minute dry, which was £7, and it gives you different, do you want low sort of normal heating or high heating? Well, I set it on high heating, so it just gives you different options. Really simple to use and really convenient for especially people, you know, out and about like myself, in a camper van or motorhome, caravan. You know, it's great. I believe there's over 600 of these machines around the UK, and I believe they're also in Europe as well. So yeah, fantastic. Anyway, I just wanted to say about the lady that brought her washing. She didn't bring any domestic washing like sheets, towels, anything like that. she put all her dog bed and sort of dog blankets and even her running shoes, her training shoes, you put all in that. So if you got a dog at home and you don't want to wash the dog bed in your domestic home washing machine, bring it to one of these and shove it in that. It's great. So yeah, she's got all her dog stuff, everything, and yeah, just wanted to mention that. And also, what it does, it gives you the option if you want a text reminder or an email reminder. In this instance, it came up and said that the email function wasn't working. So, but I put in my mobile number, and I got a text about 5 minutes before it was finished. So that's really good as well. So you get a reminder, let you know that you've got 5 minutes, it'll be finished. So if you're in the store doing something, you know it's going to be done in 5 minutes. So just parked just here, and you got Morrisons just here. So I just checked, and I've got 2 minutes left on the dryer, so I'll get that all sorted out in my van, and then I'm starting to get a little bit hungry now. Alright, that's us. Oh, thought it was finished. Well, that lady's washing's all finished, but she obviously shut off in her car. She'll be back soon. Well, I'm just going to stop here. It's been well over 30 minutes, so I've got a shopping trolley down here. Just pull it all into that. That's it. That's me all done. Let's just push this over to the camper van. Alright, let's get this sorted out.
Turn right onto Bawtry Place, then take the second left. Turn left onto Bawtry Place, then enter the roundabout. At the roundabout, take the third exit to Bawtry Place.